Hello everyone. Hi, my name is myself Preeti ma'am, class teacher of class 2nd. So here I am going to start the reading and the phonetic based reading. तो आपकी रीडिंग को थोड़ा सा अच्छा बनाने के लिए और बेहतर बनाने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे स्टोरी को प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंस वर्ड्स करके स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. Yeah. So here I'm going to start. Good morning, dear students. The principal said, please put down your pencils and go back to bed. Today, we will spend the playing outside, then take the whole school on a carnival ride. Carnival means, ma'am is going to tell.
Hello student, I hope you all are enjoying your winter at your home, sitting under a blanket, just make your stuff hot to be taking the hot stuffs. But the study is more important as you did every day of your day-to-day life. So today we are take this initiate because so many students have the problem the reading properly, how to read, how to pronounce the difficult words. So today we are taking the initiate just because the betterment for yours. So have you ever heard the word carnival? Carnival, wherever you are going to any fair, आप किसी मेले में जाते हैं वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी सी आपको राइड दिखती है. That is called the carnival ride, which is goes ups and down, upside down. And one another name is carnival ride is fun ride because we are feeling fun, we are feeling thrilling, we are feeling shouting whenever we are sitting on it. So let's proceed the next proceeding.
ओके चलिए फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. वी विल लर्न टू ईट कैंडी वाइल वॉचिंग टीवी, देन लिसन टू रिकॉर्ड्स एंड स्विंग फ्रॉम अ ट्री. We will also be learning to draw on the walls, to scream in the classrooms and run in the halls. So, bring your skateboard, your scooter, your bike. It's time to different and do what you like. The teachers are going to give you a rest. You don't have to study. There won't be test.
I'm just making little bit of pause over here. That 2 or 3 words are being explaining here, the scooter and the bike. You don't get it that you are the small children and you don't need a fuel or the big wheels on to ride your bike. छोटे बच्चे जो छोटी छोटी स्कूटर्स लेके चलते हैं, यहाँ पे उसी बाइक और उसी राइड के बारे में बात की गई है. Let's start with the new line.
And if you had prefer for a bit of change, feel free to go wild and act really strange. Go put on a clown suit and dye your hair green and copy your face on the Xerox machine. Tomorrow it's back to the regular grind. Today just go crazy, we don't mind. So tear up your homework, we will give you an A. Oh wait, I'm just kidding. It's April Fool's Day.
You probably understood that what kind of poem it is. It is a fun learning poem. It's based on the fun poem. The principal, who is the head of the school, so she or he is taking so many decisions by them. तो उन्होंने शायद ये प्रिंसिपल मैम रही होंगी जिन्होंने साइकोलॉजी के बच्चों के साइकोलॉजी को समझ के एक इतनी अच्छी सी पोएम लिखी है और लास्ट में इसका कंक्लूजन क्या किया है. Wait, it's just completely a fun we were making with you. It's April Fool's Day. It means all the things being explaining is completely fool. I hope you all will enjoy the reading, but make me promise कि आप इस रीडिंग को दोबारा फिर से करेंगे और उसी तरह एक एक वर्ड पढ़ के आप अपनी रीडिंग को बेटर करेंगे और
आप अपने वर्ड्स को प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. आप देखेंगे कि कैसे हमें अपनी रीडिंग को और इम्प्रूव करना है डे बाय डे. एंड जो आपको वर्ड्स में डिफिकल्टीज होती है, जस्ट इम्प्रूव एंड जस्ट प्रोनाउंस दीज वर्ड्स.
और कमेंट सेक्शन में आप हमें ज़रूर से लिखेंगे कि व्हाट यू लाइक द मोस्ट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड विद द ShED Plus YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.